Hey guys, how you doing? It's Tony. I wanted to give you guys a quick TA update on Palantir or PLTR. This is why I'm extremely bullish, right? I told you guys like a day or two ago that I was calling that 22.56 or the the 22.34 price range as the bottom. It is looking like it is creating that bottom right there on the 4 hour. We actually just crossed. Crossed the MACD towards the bullish side for the upward side. Last time we did this, we were completely oversold, and we rallied from last time we were actually under. We rallied from like $10 all the way up to $28. We actually did up to what is it, $33. So right now we are at the same level that we crossed. On average, when we do this, rallies tend to last, I don't know, a couple of days, I think. But yeah, the bottom seems to be set. That 22.34 seems to be a good bottom. And right now, it does look like that 4 hour being crossed. We're going to be heading towards the upside. So buying calls possibly tomorrow, maybe a week or two out, will more than likely be the play here. On the week chart, we still don't have any indication, but on the day chart, we broke that stochastic on the bottom end. We did create that bottom, as you can see on the stochastic, and we are creating we're starting to create weaker candles, weaker bearish candles on the MACD. I do think we might have another 1, 2, 3, maybe 2 or 3 days on the bearish side. Maybe we probably won't move as fast, but because we just crossed over on that 4 hour, I do think it's going to accelerate everything. And I think as of right now, we are headed towards the upside, and we more than likely will hit that $30 mark again, possibly 33, like we did with the all-time high. So I am 100% bullish on PLTR right now. Calling that bottom here at 22.56, and we just kind of have to go from there. But yeah, as of right now, like I told you guys before in the last video, I call that bottom. I don't think we're going to be dipping lower than that. If anything, we might retest, but I do think that 22.56, 22.34 level is going to be our bottom. And I do think options or buying shares right now are going to be the absolute play. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.